In an attempt to explain what climate change and the greenhouse effect is, I will use this simplified example. Imagine lying down on a bed on a cold night, covered in a light blanket. How would you feel? Cold, shivering. Now again, just imagine lying in the same bed on the same cold night, covered in a heavy blanket. Better yet, in 3 layers of blankets. How would you feel this time? Warm, much warmer, even almost hot. What changed in these 2 scenarios? The blanket. The blanket keeps us warm, but it's not the source of the heat. Our bodies are the source of the heat, but the blanket just traps the heat and radiates it back to us. The earth absorbs the sun's heat during the day and at night releases it from its surface into the atmosphere and out into space. This is called terrestrial radiation. The earth's atmosphere, that is the space surrounding the earth, has a layer of gases. In comparison to the example I'd given before, that layer of gases is the blanket, while the earth is the person under the blanket. That layer reflects the heat energy that the earth releases back into the earth's atmosphere. This is supposed to happen to maintain warm enough temperatures in the earth's atmosphere. Otherwise, we will be doomed to freeze. However, that blanket layer of gases has become too heavy, like having several layers of blankets on top of you. This has been caused by human activities, especially deforestation, large-scale livestock keeping, and burning of fossil fuels for industry and transportation. These activities release a lot of carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, synthetic fluorinated gases that can last for years to centuries in the atmosphere. These are what are called the greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases trap a lot more of the heat released by the Earth's surface and radiate it back to the Earth's atmosphere instead of it being released into space. Imagine a heavier blanket keeping you uncomfortably warmer. This heat that is returned into the Earth's atmosphere causes its temperatures to rise above the normal. This rise in Earth's atmospheric temperature is what is called global warming. Since the Industrial Revolution, the global annual temperature has increased in total by a little more than 1 degree Celsius or about 2 degrees Fahrenheit. The rise is just by a few degrees, so what's the big deal about it? Global warming has led to a variety of diverse effects, such as changes in climatic patterns, that is, changes in the average weather conditions of places over a long period of time. Arid and semi-arid areas have become even drier, deserts spreading farther and wide, glaciers melting, hence the ocean water levels rising, flooding due to extreme weather conditions, heat waves, forest fires, not to mention harsh drought and famine. What's the solution? Is there hope? Definitely. As long as we are alive, there is hope. They say that only a madman does the same thing, expecting different results. For global warming and climate change to reduce, each individual, families, and communities have to choose to do things differently. Choose to be a friend to the environment. Choose to be a champion for environmental change.